Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Isomers have the same molecular formula. We need to determine the molecular formula of each compound and identify which one differs. Moving on to the next step. Cyclooctene is an 8-membered ring with one double bond. Molecular formula C8H14. Degree of unsaturation, DU, is equal to 2 times 8 plus 2 dash 14, 2 is equal to 18 to 14, 2 is equal to 2. Wait, let me recalculate. For C8H14, DU is equal to 2 times 8 plus 2 dash 14, 2 is equal to 16 plus 2 dash 14, 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1 ring plus 1 double bond is equal to 2. That fits C8H14. Moving on to the next step. Two cyclobutane rings connected by a single bond, cyclobutyl-cyclobutane or bicyclobutane. Two cyclobutane rings each C4H8, connected, C8H14 with 2 rings and no double bonds. DU is equal to 2 rings. Molecular formula C8H14. This is an isomer of A. And for the final step. Two fused cyclopentane rings, bicyclo, 3.3.0, octane pentylene. This has 8 carbons and 2 rings. Molecular formula C8H14. DU is equal to 2 rings. This is an isomer of A and B. The structure appears to be a tricyclic compound with a central 4-membered ring fused to 2 cyclopropane rings, like tricyclo structure. This looks like bicyclo 1.1.0 butane fused arrangement or a structure with 3 rings. Counting carbons, the central ring, 4C, fused with 2 cyclopropane rings sharing edges, this gives a tricyclic system. If it is tricyclo, 2.2.0.026. Let me count. The image shows what appears to be 2 triangles fused to a central 4-membered ring. Carbon count, a central 4-membered ring sharing 1 bond with each of 2 cyclopropane rings. Shared atoms mean 4 plus 2 equals 8 carbons, but with shared edges, actual count is equal to 6 carbons. With 3 rings and 6 carbons, C6H8 or similar. 3 rings is equal to DU of 3 minimum. For C6H8, DU is equal to 2 times 6 plus 2 dash 8, 2 is equal to 14 to 8, 2 is equal to 3. This matches 3 rings. So compound D has molecular formula C6H8, while A, B, C have C8H14. Compound D is not an isomer of the others. A, B, and C all have molecular formula C8H14 with DU is equal to 2, making them isomers of each other. Compound D has a different molecular formula, fewer carbons, different hydrogen count, so it cannot be an isomer. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.